Welcome to this lesson on how to hide zeros on your reports. In this video, we will learn how to quickly hide rows and columns containing only zero values on your reports. Note that this feature is available for all your workbooks even if they do not use XLGL. On this income statement, we note that some accounts are reporting zeros. We could select the rows and hide them using the Excel hide feature, but that can be cumbersome if the report has many rows. Instead, we can go to the XLGL ribbon and click on Hide Zeros. The rows that contain only zeros are automatically hidden. If we want to show the hidden rows, we can click on the Hide Zeros submenu and select Unhide All or Unhide Rows. You can see that there are different options in that submenu to hide and unhide either rows or columns. By default, the Hide Zeros button will hide both rows and columns that contain only zeros, but you can use the options from the submenu to hide and unhide either rows or columns. By default, the hide operation will apply to the entire worksheet, but you can also make a selection to limit the effect to that range of cells. For example, we select cells D27 and D28, then click on Hide Rows with Zeros to hide only these two rows. This has been a lesson on how to hide zeros on your reports. Continue watching to learn more about XLGL and how you can use it to achieve outstanding reports.